my lecture over that paper 303, the medical transaction analysis, health information, right? Basically, I discussed today the last chapter rates most frequently computed. And first is the mortality rate. Basically, mortality, what the mortality rate is very important for you as medical care is concerned. Medical care, when it is just recorded, it becomes the medical records. If you are any in the hospital concern where you are, just every medical person, meaning doctors, they try to just to reduce the mortality of the hospital. And I today discussed how you can mortality can be minimized. Only two things are as far as the medical treatment is concerned. One is preventive measures, which I have taught you in the 302. I will discuss tomorrow. The preventive measures as well as the clinical treatment. Preventive measures is also part of a clinical treatment. Prevention is better than cure. If anybody adopts the preventive measures, no doubt he will not suffer from the disease which is prevalent in society. I think prevention, how it is, I discuss in detail. I also taught in previous chapters as far as epidemiological study as well as clinical medicine. As we have carry on these Akriti here, hello. I
Yes, sir.
discuss about this epidemiological study. Just I was telling as the prevention is concerned. No doubt it is
Good morning,
very
sir.
important for the doctors. The message. Good morning, Akriti. You listen me. I just started my lecture on the last
Yes, sir.
chapter of this year 303. You listen properly and
Okay, sir.
just I'm discussing prevention is better than treatment. So just I'm telling you what the importance of the prevention. Prevention is also part of clinical treatment. Today is a yoga day. Because yoga is a nothing, it is a kind of physical therapy. And physical therapy means that you are just increasing your, you are trying to increase your immunity of the body. Immunity of the body depends upon two things: physical exercises plus diet. If you know how I should maintain immunity of our body, you have to pay your attention towards preventive measures as well as the diet is concerned. If you have adopted this, it means you are trying to increase your immunity of the body. Immunity is very important nowadays because we have just passing the period of coronavirus. Just he has become the major anxiety not for India but for a whole world. If immunity can be increased, because as far as just I am discussing this, because no doubt you are the student of medical record science. I always told you you can have a rich information. If you have a rich information, no doubt your success will on the way. That's why you always pay attention about these all the things which I am discussing and try to teach you how you can prevent the diseases as well as the prevention is also big weapon to fight with the virus which is a prevent in any disease. Now whole world is recognizing the importance and significance of the physical therapy and also for diet is concerned. This is also because I am discussing this thing because medical care is very important. One is to prevent the disease, another than the treatment, clinical treatment, which is provided by the hospital. Whenever I say if you get your chance to be medical record personnel, no doubt if you are having a rich information as far as medical record science, you will be the right hand to the administrator of the hospital. When you are the right hand to the administrator of the hospital, it means you will also learn the tactics for administration of the hospital. Better not whatever I give the notes, what I have given the notes, it is not important. You have to get the knowledge related with the medical care, which is happening in the world. Because when you have a greater knowledge, rich knowledge as far as the medical field is concerned, now no doubt you will be the most successful person as far as the medical care when care is recorded. Because a medical care, if it is recorded, that becomes the medical record. Nowadays, everybody is realizing if medical care is recorded, no doubt, every will take the benefit of medical records from the hospitals, authorities to the person, including doctors, medical and paramedical personnel. Because you are the student as per the medical record of science, and you will also be helpful to all those are engaged to provide a medical treatment to the patient who are admitted in the hospital for medical treatment under the doctor's concern. That's why I just strictly as far as the mortality rate is concerned, no doubt if you know the preventive measures and clinical measures, because the clinical measures which I taught about the medical records, these medical record is nothing, it is just measures which has been taken by the doctors to treat the patient in the hospital. It is recorded, and that's a recorded treatment is become the medical record sign. And the mortality rate can be minimized after just increasing two things keep in your mind. That is your physical therapy as well as the diet, because both are the combination to increase the immunity. And these are if you develop the immunity, again I am just repeating, no doubt you will be far away just to have any sort of infection of virus, maybe the coronavirus too. And no doubt you have to get a knowledge to increase the efficiency of your hospital, where you will just learn about the medical records. One first is, I think, mortality rate. Mortality rate, just I have given. Nancy, just you read it. What is the mortality rate?
Yes, sir.
Kajal, Akriti, you also just be ready just to understand and also for further whenever say to read it. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Sorry sir. Hello.
हाँ
Sorry sir, मैंने माइक नहीं ऑन किया था. Sorry sir.
हाँ okay.
Mortality rate. The death rate. This may be computed as gross death rate, net death rate, anesthesia death rate, anesthesia post-operative death rate, maternal death rate, and neonatal death rate. Death occurring in emergency room
हाँ
of the hospital or in the ambulance on the way to the hospital are not included when figuring the hospital death rates.
हाँ जैसे it is a mortality rate. Just I also will discuss something as far as the mortality rate is concerned. Mortality rate is no doubt, just I have given the point, but even then some points I want to discuss here, and you also note down this first, and then I will discuss the rates computed from mortality rate onwards, right? To just as for medical services is concerned, I tell you, the medical I just also what sort of the medical services should be given by the concerned department of the hospital, maybe cardiology, maybe surgery, maybe medicine. लेकिन very important thing is to assist the medical record officer. अभी जस्ट नोट डाउन, मैं लिखाऊंगा तब आप लिखिएगा, राइट? कि मैं मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफिसर को ये मोर्टेलिटी रेट और जो रेट्स आपको पढ़ाऊंगा ये कंप्यूट कौन करता है? ये मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर ही करता है. या द पर्सनल दोज हु आर द स्टूडेंट जस्ट लाइक यू, after completion of it, you will be in position to compute the rates, maybe the mortality rate, maybe the morbidity rate, maybe any rate concerning with the medical treatment. So, but one thing, just I give the dictation in few lines and you note down, then I will discuss the mortality rate. ठीक है, पहले ये थोड़ा सा लिख लीजिए, उसके बाद मैं मोर्टेलिटी रेट कंप्यूट करेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ, टू असिस्ट द हाँ लिख रहे हैं. हेलो, हाय,
Yes
हेलो.
sir. Yes.
हाँ
Yes sir.
हाँ, आप जस्ट यू राइट डाउन टू असिस्ट द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर.
सर क्या हेडिंग क्या डालें?
सर्विसेज गिवन बाय द स्पेलर.
सर्विसेज
गिवन बाय द क्लिनिकल डिपार्टमेंट.
यस सर, हो गया.
हाँ, टू असिस्ट द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर.
यस सर.
To assist ASSIST, the medical record officers. वो दरवाजा बंद कर लो भैया. हैं मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर विद इन बैक्टर मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड. बिकॉज मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर it is known as a medical record librarian.
सर टू असिस्ट द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर. सर उसके बाद
विद इन ब्रैकेट आप लिख लें मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड लाइब्रेरियन.
ओके सर.
in लिख लिया. incorrectly entering cases in the proper services are ORR disease classifications column on the daily analysis worksheet. Since some diseases could be treated on more than one service, in such cases, the therapy may be the determining factors for allocation to a specific service.
Sir, allocation?
For allocation to a specific service. हेडिंग्स इसमें एलोकेशन सर्विस सब लोगों ने लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Especially we are discussing here not for the cardiology which services should be, because you know better medicine what the diseases may be and what services can be medicine department, what services can be surgery in the department surgery, any disease which needs operation, that is just taken by the surgery department. I think you know, and I discussed in detail whenever I taught you. But as far as gynecology is concerned, I will not just taught you about the gynecology, लेकिन what sort of the services should be given with the gynecology department is concerned, just write down gynecology heading डालिए.
Yes, sir, हो गया.
To include all diseases and conditions of the female generative and urinary organs and the rectum. As well as sigmoid colon. Sigmoid, SIGMOID colon COLON. If, clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is a part of disease, syndrome of the generative organs, I think as far as I discussed, as far as the syndrome is concerned, the 2 or 3 complication or disease, if they are combined, that becomes a sort of syndrome. जैसे write down only if it is a part of disease syndrome, ठीक है, of the generative organs. लिख लिया? Have you written?
Yes, sir.
आकृति, आकृति लिख लिया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
काजल?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, just continue. Diseases of the breast.
सर ये इसमें ही कंटिन्यू करना है ना?
हाँ, इसी में कंटिन्यू करना.
ओके सर.
And diseases conditions associated with pregnancy and the puerperium are not included.
Sir, are not
included.
okay.
थोड़ा सा just I want to discuss is कि diseases the breast and diseases condition associated with pregnancy and the puerperium are not included. Whenever as far as gynecological cases is concerned, as far as the gynecology is concerned, only the treatment is given of the diseases related to the generative organs of the female. Right? And what is the puerperium? You know it? Nancy, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
क्या है? Just.
Sir, क्या sir puerperium? Yes, sir. Yes.
Just I discussed and just talked about it whenever just I taking the chapter as far as gynecology and obstetrics. But I don't go, I tell you, the puerperium, the period or a statement of confinement after childbirth. After delivery, the doctor's advice for the bed rest, and the period which has been advised for rest is known as puerperium or confinement after delivery. ठीक है? Clear now, I think. Any confusion to you as far as the puerperium is concerned?
No, sir.
Now heading डालिए just, but I am giving the dictation newborn.
Sir, heading
Newborn. हाँ, थोड़ी से just write down newborn and newborn.
Yes, sir.
Within bracket आप लिखें alive, alive, ALIVE at birth. Bracket close. Have you written? All you have written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To include only infants. To include only infants born in the hospital. Full stop. Infants born at home infants born at home are on the way to the hospital. should be interned in entertained जो भी whatever light under pediatric department. लिख लिया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो basically as far as the services is concerned, I tell you कि until you are not having the perfect knowledge what services should be given the particular clinical department to the patient, because you are associated with the medical treatment, you have to know also what are the services which are being provided in the hospital by the clinical department, especially gynecology and obstetrics. Today I will only just discussing as per the gynecology, and next that will be my, I think that will be my last lecture as per paper of 303. I discussed with the gynecology and newborn. मैंने बोला कि newborn elevate the whenever the child delivered alive, जब alive होते हैं, ओनली इन्फेंट बॉर्न इन द हॉस्पिटल, जिनका जन्म हॉस्पिटल में होता है वही कंसीडर किए जाते हैं, एंड इन्फेंट्स बॉर्न एट होम, जो घर में बच्चे होते हैं, आर ऑन द वे टू द हॉस्पिटल, या रास्ते में आने को होते हैं, हो जाते हैं, दे विल बी रेफर टू द पीडियाट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट, नॉट इन द गायनोकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट और ऑब्स्टेट्रिक डिपार्टमेंट. तो न्यू बॉर्न स्पेशली बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू when the mortality rate is concerned, I will discuss in the mortality rate what is the newborn, and it is a gynecology, and just I am discussing as per the department and gynecologist, and I told you and gynecological and obstetrics doctors are the person is the same, lekin this condition or the period differ. Those who treat the diseases of female generative organs, that is known as a gynecologist, and when after treatment the patient gets admission for the childbirth, that is become the part of the obstetrician. So doctor is the same, which is known as a gynecologist as an obstetrician, and I think you know better rather than what is the role of gynecologist I discuss and what is the role of the obstetrician. I will just discuss the second period when I will discuss as per the mortality rate is concerned. The mortality rate now, just Nancy, I was saying that you read down the mortality rate.
Yes, sir. Sir, मैं फिर से रीड करूँ?
इसमें से anything you have doubt you can ask to me.
Okay, sir.
कहीं आपको कुछ पूछना हो जो मैंने आज gynecological की, because as per the services are very important for the medical record officer, what sort of services has been given. I discuss so many times as per other specialties concerned, not for this gynecology and obstetrics, because but you have to know as per the what services are given in this particular department. You have to know, because I have just taking the lectures on your this teaching from the through the conferences, so I will not discuss in detail, which can be discussed in the classes as we were taking before. So no doubt, if you are having anything, you can, after finishing of the course, you all of you can ask any question, any doubt. As far as this record is concerned, you can. ठीक है, आप ये मैं इसलिए न्यूबॉर्न और गैनोकोलॉजी का इसलिए मैंने ये बता दिया है कि जब आप इनके रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करेंगे तो कौन सा पार्ट गैनोकोलॉजी का रिकॉर्ड है, कौन सा न्यूबॉर्न बच्चे हैं, इसके बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए, तभी आप अच्छी तरह कंप्यूट कर सकते हैं रेट ऑफ फर्टिलिटी। अगर इन सब की नॉलेज नहीं होगी तो रेस बी ऑफ frequently cannot be computed by yourself because it is a part of your medical record personnel. Yeah, whenever you just achieve all the knowledge or concerns which is related with the medical care as per gynecological and obstetric department concern, how the study and what the care is given, to whom these all things should be known to you, just to compute the rates which is just I'm teaching first is mortality rate. हाँ आप repeat कर.
Okay, sir.
Mortality rate. The death rate. This may be computed as gross death rate, net death rate, anesthesia death rate, anesthesia post-operative death rate, maternal death rate, and neonatal death rate. Death occurring in emergency room of the hospital or in the ambulance on the way to the hospital are not included when figuring the hospital death rates.
हाँ तो ये these are the thing of just I am telling on Nancy, the death rate.
Yes, sir.
This may be computed as a gross death rate. पहले gross death rate I will discuss, comma net death rate, comma anesthesia death rate, comma post-operative death rate, comma maternal death rate, and neonatal death rate. ये जैसा I will discuss, लेकिन लेटर आगे डेथ occurring in emergency room of the hospital or in the ambulance on the way to the hospital are not included when figuring the hospital death rate. When we consider as per the mortality rate in hospital, उस समय मैं ये बता दूं, पहले भी मैं बता दूं कि इमरजेंसी में डेथ होगी अगर कोई आया मरीज और उसकी इमरजेंसी में डेथ हो जाती तो वो मोर्टेलिटी रेट में कंसीडर नहीं होगा हॉस्पिटल के, ठीक है। या एम्बुलेंस से कोई मरीज आ रहा है फॉर डिलीवरी पर्पज और समथिंग लाइक दैट और डेथ हो जाती है तो भी मोर्टेलिटी रेट हॉस्पिटल में नहीं कंसीडर होगी, ठीक है। तो दीज आर द टू फिगरिंग हॉस्पिटल डेथ रेट जब निकालेंगे तो ये यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड बीइंग द मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर ए मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड पर्सनल, यू विल नॉट जस्ट कंक्लूड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ डेथ व्हिच हैज बीन अकर्ड इन इमरजेंसी एज वेल एज ऑन द वे टू द हॉस्पिटल, ठीक है। अब दिस इज आई गिवन द मोर्टेलिटी रेट। आप पहले नेक्स्ट हेडिंग डालिए ग्रॉस डेथ रेट, है ग्रॉस डेथ रेट काजल?
सर ग्रॉस डेथ रेट लिखा हुआ है।
Yes, sir. Yes.
I have given the notes to you, go on, लिखा हुआ है, but you have to read it.
The ratio of death in the hospital during any given period of time to the total number of discharges
Discharges.
during that time. The formula was figuring the percentage is total number of deaths for period into 100 upon total number of discharge for the period.
हाँ, अभी जस्ट यू की हाउ विल जस्ट ग्रॉस डेथ रेट, टोटल डेथ रेट कैसे निकालेंगे? दिस इज जस्ट आई हैव गिवन दैट नोट्स एंड जस्ट आई एम रीडिंग नाउ बट यू हैव रेड इट एंड इससे कुछ समझ में आया कि आपने जो पढ़ा है उसमें ग्रॉस डेथ रेट मैं ही बताता चलता हूँ। अच्छा, द रेशियो ऑफ डेथ इन द हॉस्पिटल ड्यूरिंग एनी गिवन पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम टू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिस्चार्जेस एंड डेथ विद इन ब्रैकेट डेथ। मैंने भी बोला है कि डेथ इज ए काइंड ऑफ डेथ इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ डिस्चार्ज ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल, पहले भी पढ़ा चुका हूँ कि जितने मरीज डिस्चार्ज हुए और उनमें कितनी डेथ है वो भी डिस्चार्ज में काउंट कर लेंगे, ठीक है। यानी डिस्चार्ज प्लस डेथ बोथ आर इन द बोथ कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ डेथ डिस्चार्जेस। तो टोटल रेशियो हाउ की डेथ रेट नहीं है कितने लोग आए, हाँ, और उतने पीरियड में कितने की डेथ हुई, इसमें डिस्चार्जेस में टोटल डिस्चार्जेस हुए तो इसमें फॉर्मूला दिया है टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स पर पीरियड जितना पीरियड एक है, नीचे एग्जाम्पल भी दिया उसमें और क्लियर हो जाएगा कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेथ फॉर एक सर्टेन पीरियड में कितने डेथ्स हुई हैं, कितनी डेथ्स हुई है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिस्चार्जेस, अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिस्चार्जेस, उस पीरियड में जिसमें हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं उसमें कितनी डेथ हुई हैं, और अपॉन टोटल नंबर डिस्चार्ज कितने मरीज डिस्चार्ज हुए हैं, उसमें डेथ भी इंक्लूड है जैसा मैंने बताया है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100। अब एग्जांपल्स मैं पढ़ रहा हूं, ठीक है, आप सुनिए। ए हॉस्पिटल हैड, I will just clear what I have just given in this formula. You have to just, I am reading and you try to understand what I am reading. I will also explain. A hospital had total of 36 deaths during the month of May. मान लीजिए किसी हॉस्पिटल मंथ ऑफ मे में 36 डेथ होती हैं एक महीने में, मई के महीने में। These include all deaths of in patients of all ages, both over and under 48 hours, as well as medical examiners cases। उसमें पोस्टमार्टम भी होता है। पोस्टमार्टम तो अपने यहाँ नहीं हो, पोस्टमार्टम केसेस कंसीडर नहीं किए जाते, वो दे आर डेथ तो होती है लेकिन उनका पोस्टमार्टम हमारे यहाँ से नहीं होता है, इसलिए कॉज ऑफ डेथ पता नहीं लगता, और कॉज ऑफ डेथ के लिए पोस्टमार्टम अलग से होता है। लेकिन फॉरेन कंट्रीज the postmortem is also done in that institution where the patient is admitted. And just I told you that the surgical autopsy is not being done there, but the clinical autopsy is there. Because as per the postmortem is concerned, clinical autopsy is very frequently, it is just admitted and proved by the clinical. It is also recommended by World Health Organization. But in India, postmortem is done from aside by the doctors, and they try to know what is the cause of death. Just I am just teaching you what I am teaching. It is just international medical record science I am teaching you, but I am discuss। मैं थोड़ा सा ये बता देना चाहता हूँ कि बाहर के देशों में क्लिनिकल एटॉप्सी होती है। क्लिनिकल एटॉप्सी आई एम नॉट जस्ट डिस्कस हियर, पहले मैं क्लासेस में कर चुका हूँ। क्लिनिकल एटॉप्सी बेसिस पे ही वहाँ पोस्टमार्टम होता है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ सर्जिकल एटॉप्सी होती है, ये पहले मैं बता चुका हूँ। ये लेकिन हमारा क्लिनिकल एटॉप जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ये इट इज नॉट फॉर मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड साइन, it is just recognized by World Health Organization WHO and it is prevalent all over world। इसमें ये डेथ जो कर लेते हैं उसमें सर्जिकल के पोस्टमार्टम भी हुए या एटॉप्सी के भी केसेस उसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं, ठीक है। द हॉस्पिटल डिस्चार्ज ए टोटल ऑफ 760%, यानी जो टोटल मरीज डिस्चार्ज किए गए मई में वो 760 डिस्चार्ज हुए हैं टोटल, इसमें डेथ भी इंक्लूड हैं। और डेथ कितनी हुई 36, और 36 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100,
हेलो हेलो
हेलो
हेलो हेलो
हाँ
सर, सर की आवाज नहीं आ रही है ना?
आकृति,
सर की वॉइस आ रही है?
हमें तो नहीं आ रही।
हाँ हाँ।
कोई लेफ्ट मत होना प्लीज।
शांत रहता है।
क्लास रिकॉर्डेड। नंसी
हाँ हाँ
सर को कॉल करो, देखो क्या होगा।
ओके।
सर दूसरी लिंक भेज रहे हैं। सर को उस साइट से दिख रहा है कि हम लोग क्लास में हैं, बट हेलो।
हाँ ठीक है, तो
तो
उसको
सर
कैंसिल कर दे सर?
हाँ सर, दूसरी लिंक भेज रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
ओके।
ठीक ठीक।